Good evening, friends. Today we are going to talk about certain anatomical drawings. Now, this is the drawing of the muscles of the back. As you can see over here, the muscles of the back are this trapezius, the deltoid, teres major, teres minor, latissimus dorsi, thoracolumbar. Then over here, gluteus maximus, gluteus medius. Here we have external oblique. Here we have adductor magnus, vastus lateralis, etc. Now coming to other muscles of the front side. Sternocleidomastoid, trapezius, omohyoid, pectoralis major, deltoid, serratus anterior, latissimus dorsi, external abdominal oblique, extensor communis digitorum, sartorius, gracilis, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, peroneus longus, gastrocnemius, tibialis anticus, soleus, tibialis posticus, long extensor of toe. These are the muscles. Even you can see biceps and triceps. So now coming to the heart. These are blood vessels of the heart. Just have a look at them. Common carotid, brachiocephalic artery, left subclavian artery, then veins, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. We have left pulmonary artery, then pulmonary veins over here. These are the pulmonary veins, this part, this one over here. You can see the valves, tricuspid and mitral valve. So this is all about heart. Now coming to other diagrams, other anatomical figures. This is about blood vessels of kidneys. In kidneys you can see the arcuate vein, the arcuate artery, interlobar artery, segmental artery, renal vein, renal artery. You can see over here, isn't it? Interlobar vein, the main artery is renal artery. From there it branches out. Now coming to the vertebra. This is the second lumbar vertebra, which consists of this kind of spinous process like this. Then inferior articular processes, superior articular process. This is mammillary process. These are two transverse processes over here. This is the pedicle, and here is the vertebral foramen through which the spinal cord passes. This is vertebral body or the centrum. These are the marginal ridge over there. You can see the entire thing over here. Coming to the diagram of sagittal view of the brain, you can see the basal ganglia, the neocortex, hypothalamus, exact position of hypothalamus, then amygdala, hippocampus. Here you can see the cerebellum. Now this is the midbrain. The midbrain part, you can see the cerebral aqueduct, tegmentum, tectum, laminici, medial longitudinal fasciculus, red nucleus you can see over here, the crus cerebri or crura cerebri, the oculomotor nucleus over here, the frontopontine fibers, oculomotor nerve. This is the entire midbrain. Coming to the diagram of fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. You can see the protein, lipid and protein, the integral protein, transmembrane helix, this one, the yellow one. Now this is peripheral protein. These are channel proteins. This is carrier protein. These are oligosaccharide chains over here. Now this is phospholipid bilayer. The top one, the blue one, is hydrophilic head, and these two are hydrophobic tail. Now this part is cholesterol, this part attached to this protein. So this kind of drawing will be entertained in the exam. Here we have pancreatic ducts. The main duct is duct of Warsung. Then we have accessory duct called duct of Santorini. This one. This is common bile duct. These are shown with dotted lines because this comes from behind. This part is called sphincter of Oddi. There is a muscle over here. In front of sphincter of Oddi, there is a swollen structure called ampulla of Vater. Now coming to the stomach, anatomy of the stomach. These are the three layers. Longitudinal, circular and oblique muscles are there over here. The stomach has four parts. This is cardia. Now this raised part is called fundus. This whole thing is the body, and this part is called pylorus. This is pyloric sphincter over here. This is the lesser curvature, and this is the greater curvature of the stomach. Now from here the duodenum starts. This part is called pyloric antrum. So these are the drawings, dear students. So please do share and like the channel and subscribe it. What more to say? Thanks a lot.